Today I'm going to tell you how you can use a Google form to personalize learning in your classroom. The first thing that you need to do is go into your Google Drive and open up a new form. Then you're going to add about 5 questions. You don't want to add too many questions because for every question you also have to add a video explaining the question. Once you're in your form and you have your questions in, you are going to make sure that you have a page break between each of the questions. As I scroll through here, notice the space in between the questions. Those are page breaks. How you get a page break is you hit this equal sign. It will pop up and say page break. At the bottom, you will notice that there are videos embedded. It's a very simple click of the button. When you hit this YouTube symbol, you just put in your link and it pops right into your Google site. So our symbols to the side are very important. You click on your plus sign to add a question, you click on the YouTube symbol to add a video, and you click on the page break, the equal sign to have a page break. There's another symbol that's pretty important that you need to know, and it's these 3 little dots at the bottom. When you click on these dots, it will say go to section based on answer. This is the important part of using a Google form to personalize learning. You can see the question here is, do you know how to use EduCreations? If the person chooses yes, they will go to the next section, which is the next question. If the person chooses no, I formatted it so they will go to section 10, which is a video showing them how to use EduCreations. Once the EduCreations video is watched, I formatted it so we'll go right back to section 3, which is the next question. Hopefully you've seen this as a pretty simple way that you can personalize learning so that the person knows how to solve the problem, they go on to the next problem. If they do not know how to solve the problem, then it will take them to a video to show them how to solve it. This was a very quick explanation of using Google Form, but hopefully it was enough to get you started.